Mature trees, hedgerows, and rolling lawns extend to a narrow sandy beach and the water beyond. Shade was at the top of their must-have list that also included an outdoor shower, big fireplaces, an outdoor barbecue, and good ventilation. The idea of a house as a long hovering porch came as a logical extension of thinking about everyday ease and contextual sensibility. Its posts, set at 4 feet centers, hold up beams that extend some 30 feet back to the kitchen, where a clear story above brings sunlight deep inside. This was a house that demanded craftsmanship, and its success owes much to the contractor who understood wood so well. Here's a look at the plan. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.